In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate custom CSS for Squarespace using ChatGPT. If you want to customize the look of your Squarespace site beyond the built-in design settings, using custom CSS is a great option. And with ChatGPT, you can speed up the process by generating code based on the style changes you want to make. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create the CSS, copy it, and then add it directly into your Squarespace site. To begin, type your prompt into ChatGPT. Be specific about what you want to change on your Squarespace website. For example, you might describe changes to button colors, font sizes, spacing, image borders, or header styling. The more clearly you describe the design result you want, the more useful the generated CSS will be. It's also a good idea to mention that the code should be written as custom CSS for Squarespace, so the output is tailored to that environment. Once ChatGPT generates the code, take a moment to quickly review it. Then copy the CSS. Make sure you're copying only the code itself without any extra explanation text, so it's ready to paste directly into Squarespace. Next, head over to your Squarespace dashboard. From there, click on Website. This will take you into the area where you manage your site's structure and design-related settings. After that, click on Pages. Even though you're working with styling rather than page content, this section is part of the path to the custom code settings in this setup. Now click on Custom Code. This is where Squarespace allows you to add extra code to extend or refine your site beyond the standard editor options. If you're making visual design changes with CSS, this is the area you'll need. Then click on Custom CSS. This opens the editor where you can place the styling code that affects the appearance of your site. This section is especially useful for fine-tuning design details that aren't available in the default customization controls. Finally, paste the code into the custom CSS editor. Once it's in place, Squarespace should apply the changes to your site's design. As you paste, it's helpful to watch for any immediate visual updates so you can confirm the code is working as expected. And that's it. You've used ChatGPT to generate custom CSS and added it to Squarespace. This is a simple workflow that can save time and make design customization much easier, especially if you want a more polished or unique look for your site.